Hello and welcome back to the Captain Data System. Today's tutorial is on how to create an information session. An information session is a brief 60 to 90-minute presentation at a staff meeting, conference session, or virtual session to raise awareness about evidence-based practices and Captain. From the dashboard, click on the Events menu, then click Add New Event. From the Event Manager page, under Event Type, select Information Session from the drop-down menu. You can choose to allow your invited participants to share the event or not by checking the box titled Closed Event. Enter an event title. Next, choose a category that best describes your information session. Enter the name of the trainer or facilitator. Enter the agency name who will be hosting the event. Enter a start date and time and an end date and time for your information session. Enter a brief description of what your information session is about. Select how your information session will be presented: in person, virtual, or both, hybrid. Your type of selection will determine how to populate the location, Zoom link, or both. You can also upload resources for your event. You can upload resources from the Captain Library or from your personal computer. Finally, you could add an image to your event or use the default Captain event image. For this tutorial, we will leave the default image. Please see the user's manual or videos for more direction on how to upload resources or add an image. Once you have populated all the required fields, click the blue Save button. You will then be navigated to the Events dashboard to view the details of your event. Here you can share your event with others and view the attendance roster of participants. See the user's manual or videos on how to share an event and how to take attendance. Thank you for watching.